Hello and welcome to Web Learning where knowledge is shared. What I'm going to show you is dangerous because this is for 220 volts. Now, if you don't know what you're doing, please don't do that. This apparatus is more for safety when you're fixing 220 volts, but if you don't have an experience, you're not supposed to touch 220. What is this thing? This is a small device that helps me keep the things that I'm fixing in a working order. Because if I have a short, the light bulb will turn on and the PCB won't blow up. Usually when you're fixing a PCB, for example, let's take this PCB, if it was like, for example, 220 volts and there was a fault here or I didn't solder it correctly, when you put 220 volts, there is inrush current that will blow anything apart if you did something wrong. When using this, I have a light bulb. I can't remember what is the rating here. I think this is 60 watts. Yeah, this is a 60 watt light bulb, or you should know that your watt is V times I. So your voltage times your current, that's how much wattage. Now we have 60 watts at 220 volts and we need to know what is the current. So simple math. By the way, there is a trick. If you don't know how to move things around, just use simple math. For example, you know that 8 equals to 4 times 2. Now this is my 8, this is my 4, and this is my 2. Now I want to find what is my 2. And usually you do 8 divided by 4 equals to 2, right? So 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. So that's how I know how to move things around. So 60 watts, that's my 8, divided by 4, or the 220 volt, equals my current. This is 0.28 amps, or 280 milliamp. So that's the maximum current I can draw without the light bulb turning on. What do I have here? I have here the plug and I have here the connector that I can turn on and off the whole power, so I don't have to take it out and in each time I want to use it. Now if you want more current, then you have to use a bigger light bulb. Then you can have more current rushing into your board. Let's give it a try. I'm plugging this in and I'm turning it on. Nothing happens. I'll turn it off. Let's put this. Let's use this. This is, if you haven't seen my other movies, this is a PD tester, so power delivery tester. Again, I don't have any power yet, so nothing happens. Now, if I'll turn the switch on, you see it started because it took some power for the capacitors to charge. This is only a tester. I'll wait for it to finish. It draws less than the maximum current, so nothing happens. In order to test this, I have to put external power. Okay. And I can do a ramp up mode. Start current, it's 100 milliamps. End current, let's lower this. It will finish much faster because of the light bulb, the protection. Slope, let's do 10 milliamps. So we load it slowly. And let's start. You can see it's loading slowly. The first time you need to turn the light bulb, you need more current to do it. But after that, the current really goes down because of the voltage. Let's see if I can make it. And you saw it was lighting up and you had a cutoff. After the light bulb turns on again, as I said, that maximum current that you have in the system. That's it. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell, and it really helps if you click the like button. Thank you.